Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to use Blade in Honkai Star Rail. Blade is a wind type character who follows the destruction path, known for self-sustain and high damage by sacrificing his own HP. He excels in AoE and single target damage and is great in aggressive high-risk playstyles. Blade consumes his HP to heal massive or to deal massive wind damage and heals himself over time. His kit focuses on losing HP to gain stacks, using those stacks for a powerful enhanced basic attack and regenerating HP passively through his talent. When Blade loses HP, he gains a stack of charge. At 5 stacks, his next basic attack becomes enhanced, dealing AoE wind damage and healing him for a portion of lost HP. The Blade sacrifices 30% of his current HP to enter Hellscape state, converts basic attack to enhanced for 3 turns, increases damage dealt, and doesn't consume skill points. Also, Blade targets all enemies with wind AoE damage based on his max HP and lost HP, perfect for finishing off waves or bosses. After using his technique, Blade enters battle with 15% HP lost, helping him to build charge stacks early. So, don't spam skill, stay between 30 to 70% HP to maximize damage, let Blade take some hits and avoid overhealing. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.